What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. You know what? If you're new here, we do all types of firearm related content. So if you're into that, go ahead, smash that subscribe button, and while you're at it, go ahead and click that notification bell as well. Today we're going to be doing another mail time. I've got a package here. It's marked ORMD, and if you're in tune with the firearm culture, usually means it's ammunition, but I'm not expecting any ammunition. So this is going to be a complete surprise. Let's roll that logo reveal, then we'll come back and get into this box. So let's get into this box. I'm excited to find out what it is here. It's from Florida, that's all I can tell you. So, like I said, not expecting anything, think it's ammunition. Got to figure out how to get into this thing here. They've taped it up really, really well. Try to get into one end here, maybe. They did not want whatever was in here coming out, that's for sure. Using my pocket knife that Mr. Ghost Tactical sent me there for this one. We can rip and tear if we have to, and that's what we're going to do. And, oh, I know what this is. This is ammo that is all to pieces inside the box here. It's spilled out everywhere. Dadnabbit. So, yeah, I got this ordered. Can't really say why I ordered this, but I ordered this for something coming up here over the next, I don't know, a few weeks or so. Let me get this ammo, 22 ammo, all in the box here, rattling around. Not the best packing job that they did. Hopefully we don't have any missing. So take it out and show you there, 22 long rifle ammunition. Here's the box, and what this is some Pine Mountain ammunition. It is red tracers that are 22 long rifle. Now, if anybody out there has seen or heard about these things, then what I want you to do is I want you to jump down in the comments below and let me know. Even if you haven't heard of them, jump down in those comments and let me know what your initial thoughts are on these. But I had an idea for a video. Like I said, we're going to be doing that here in the next few weeks or so, and I thought, wow, you know, if I had if they made something like a 22 long rifle tracer round in a red tracer, that would really be kind of cool. So I jumped on the internet and yeah, did some looking, and this is what I come up with. So far I'm still missing a few from them being all over everywhere in the box. There we go. I have found, get that paper out of the way, we don't need it. Found all 50, so there we go. There we go. FedEx did not lose any. It was boxed up good. It was hard to get into. But yeah, let's take a little close-up look here. And once I get done here, I'll get some B-roll of that, get a close-up look. I'll put it on the screen right now so you can check that out. But yeah, mail time today with some Pine Mountain ammunition, 22 long rifle red tracers. So like I said, look for a little surprise fun video coming up with that stuff right there. And that's going to do it for our mail time today. It was a quick one. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.